Hello and welcome to the 741 channel. Thank you for stopping by. So today I'm going to be replacing the lower air dam on my 2007 Chevy Suburban. So I just bought this car about a month or so ago, and I'm not sure if you guys can see it or not, but there's a bit of a mark in the front bumper, and the bottom air dam is sort of warped and bent on the bottom. So whoever had it before me obviously hit something and did a little bit of damage there. So what I want to do is replace that lower air dam just to make things look a little better. So this should be a pretty quick and easy job to do. So there's only 2 screws on this air dam that need to come off, one on either corner, and it's located right here just up under the lip, maybe about an inch or so in from its edge. I've got a 9/32 socket ready to go, which should handle the job. So now to remove the air dam the rest of the way, all I have to do is kind of yank on it and pull it straight out. There's just some angled tab clips molded into the plastic of the air dam that fit into slots on the lower part of the bumper cover. So just need to kind of pull and they should pop out. That's it. As you can see, the lower air dam is off. And mine, if you look close, is cracked, which is why it was warped. So here's a closer look at where the tabs on the air dam engage into the lower bumper cover. You can see the slots here. Now on my car, this lower bumper cover took a little bit of damage, and you can see that this tab is cracked and separated away from the main part of the bumper cover. So I'm actually going to try and glue that back in place. So what I'm going to use to glue up the bumper cover is this E6000 adhesive. I've had pretty good luck with this stuff on other projects, so I'm going to try it on this bumper cover and see how it does. Hopefully it'll hold up to the abuse that comes with being in automotive service. So as you can see, I've got some E6000 here where the crack was, and I've got some gaffer's tape kind of holding everything together and in place. So what I'll do now is let this cure for about 24 hours and let the E6000 firm up. E6000 dries somewhat flexible, and I think that'll be good for this application. We'll see what it looks like in 24 hours. So it's been a few days, and as you may be able to tell, the E6000 is all cured, and everything feels like it's good and solid here now. And the Amazon guy just dropped off the air deflector, so I'm going to get that out of the packaging and we'll pop it on here and see how it looks. So there's the old and new side by side. They look like pretty much the same thing, other than the new one is nice and new and the old one is beat up and broken. So to put the new air deflector on, all I should have to do is pop these tabs into the slots on the bottom of the bumper cover and then put the 2 screws back in the corners. I'm going to start by putting in the middle tabs first, and then I'll work my way out to the sides. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If you want to learn more about the air deflector that I used in this video, there's a link down in the description. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to leave a comment or subscribe, feel free to do that as well. If you'd like to support my channel in another way, please consider taking a look at my Amazon store, which is linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.